In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix the game not fitting the screen for Steam games. If your game launches too small, stretches oddly, or refuses to fill your monitor, I'll walk through a clean set of fixes you can apply right inside Steam and Windows. We'll start with the quickest option and move toward settings that give you more control. First, try the fast toggle. While the game is running, press Alt+Enter on your keyboard. This shortcut forces the game to switch between windowed and full screen modes. If the window snaps perfectly into place, you are done. If not, let's set things more precisely with Steam's launch options. Open your Steam library and right-click the game. Choose Properties. Then in the General tab, find the Launch Options box. Here, you can type -full screen to force the game to start in full screen, or -windowed to make it open in a window. Type the option exactly as shown with a hyphen and no quotes. If one doesn't help, try the other. Windowed can be especially helpful if you use multiple monitors, or if full screen is behaving inconsistently. If the game still doesn't fit, force a specific resolution through Launch Options. In the same box, add -W followed by your desired width and -H followed by your height. For example, -W space 1920, -H space 1080. Use your monitor's native resolution for the best results. You can combine these with a display mode, like -full screen -W space 1920, -H space 1080, to lock in both the mode and the size at launch. Next, let's adjust compatibility settings for the game's executable. In your Steam library, right-click the game, choose Manage, then select Browse Local Files. In the folder that opens, right-click the game's .exe file and choose Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Disable Display Scaling on High DPI settings. This stops Windows from resizing the game in ways that can cause blurriness or odd fit on high resolution displays. In the same Compatibility tab, also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. This setting can resolve cases where Windows tries to manage full screen behavior in a way that conflicts with the game's own display mode. Finally, still in compatibility, check Run this program as an administrator. Some games need elevated permissions to switch display modes reliably, and this helps ensure those changes stick. That's it. Thanks for watching.